Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make some delicious beer butter fish fillets. They are so easy to make and delicious. I hope you can give them a try. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to season the fish fillets with salt and black pepper to taste. And I'm also cutting each fillet in half lengthwise, but this step is optional. You don't have to cut them if you don't want to. And remember to season the fish fillets with salt and black pepper on all sides. And then after that, we're going to cover the fish fillets with flour. And for this step, I'm using 1/4 cup of flour. Just make sure the fillets are well coated with the flour on all sides. And once they are done, just set them aside for a little bit. Now to make the batter, in a large bowl, we're going to combine 1 cup of flour with the rest of the spices. Remember, I'm using paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper and black pepper. Those to combine, and then season this with salt to taste. Give it another stir and just set it aside for a minute. Now we're going to combine the egg with the Maggy sauce. If you cannot find the Maggy sauce, feel free to use Worcestershire sauce instead. We're going to beat the egg with the sauce until well beaten, and then we're going to add it into the flour mixture. Give it a stir. And now we're going to pour 1.5 cups of beer into the flour mixture as well. Just add it slowly and just stir until combined. And once everything is well combined, you will get a thin batter, just like you see in the video. And once the batter is ready, now we're going to preheat plenty of oil to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once the oil is nice and hot, now we can fry the fish. First, we're going to dip the fish fillets in the batter mixture. So grab a fillet and dip it in the batter. Make sure it's well covered with the batter on all sides. Tap it a little bit to remove the excess batter. And now we're going to fry it for about 3 minutes in total. We will fry it for about 1.5 minutes on each side. You want the fillet to get nice and brown and crisp on all sides. And once it has a beautiful golden brown color and once it's nice and crisp, now we're going to remove it from the oil and we will drain it on paper towels. And just keep on repeating these steps until you have all the fillets ready. Remember, just dip the fish fillet in the batter. Make sure it's well covered with the batter on all sides. Then tap it a little bit to remove the excess batter. And now we're going to fry it for about 3 minutes in total. You want to fry it for about 1.5 minutes on each side. And once the fish fillet is golden brown and crisp on all sides, now you can remove it from the oil. Drain it on paper towels and just keep on doing this until they are all done. And this is how they look. Now they are all ready. Now you can serve them. And I'm just serving them with fries, lime wedges, a little bit of tartar sauce and chili sauce, then garnish with green onions, and that's about it. I hope you can give them a try. They are so delicious. Enjoy. To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!